Hello, welcome to Soundop Tutorials. In this video, we will focus on operations to manage projects. When multiple projects are opened, you can switch projects in several ways. With the Projects toolbar, click to set the active project type. Click and select a project in the drop-down menu. Click and hold, then select a project in the drop-down menu. Select a project in the Editor panel menu. Select a project in the Window menu. In the Projects panel, double-click to activate a project. Press the Enter key to activate a project. You can also close projects in the Projects panel. Close selected projects. Close all projects of the type. Close all projects. In addition, when a mix space is active, you can add files from the Projects panel. The keyboard shortcuts to switch projects. Switch to the next project. Switch to the previous project. Switch to the next window. Switch project type. Switch to mix space. Switch to audio file editor. Switch to CD project. Switch to batch processor. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.